USA's proven best foundation repair? Absolutely. There's no BS to that. We're out here today on a One King pier, stabilizing a brick column. We've already done two of these. The two outside ones we raised and tilted back about a year ago, and he wanted to wait and see if our piers worked, and they haven't moved one iota. And so he called me and wanted me to stabilize this center column here. So right here's best of the best. King Piers out here, Lawrence, Kansas. Great people. Mark Staten is a great guy. Beautiful family. Everybody we've worked for in Lawrence, Kansas has been just great people. Steve Schwada. Can't get any better than him. Anyway, for all your foundation repair needs, call me 816-521-8915. You want real deal foundation repair if your house is sinking, give us a call. We are the proven best. We do it day in and day out. Our King Pier is very unique. It can be used for many different things besides lifting a footing. Sidewalks, driveways, floors. 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com.